Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to decorate our apartment with Christmas stuff. And I still have a lot from last year, but I also got some new stuff. For example, this garland here. It just looks a bit boring, so today I bought these little decorations to go in it. The only problem is this one doesn't have any wire, so I thought, why not just buy wire myself? I have a hot glue gun and do a little DIY. So yeah, I don't know how that will look, but we're gonna try. Gonna get everything out of the bags now and then we can get started. I'm just gonna throw it all on there. Well, that could also be cute in there. No, it's broken. It's annoying. That was kind of easy. Next one. Okay, they're all done. Now I just have to open this and then we can start putting it in. That is finally hung up. It took a long time, but it's done. And I already had the Christmas lights here. I leave them hanging all year round, so yeah, I didn't have to do them. But now I have to do all of this, so let's go! I put the little Christmas tree on top because cats. So yeah, I'm a bit sad it's so far away, but better than no tree at all. I just did my nails. It's gold with sparkles. It's a bit dark on the camera, but it looks pretty. Now I'm going to write these Christmas cards. I got some cute stickers and labels and cute cards. I'm just gonna decorate them and then send them away tomorrow. All done. Now I just have to pack them and send them away.